G'day all. I've got this PM Research, the glass engine, and I took it apart, took the axle apart and made this little brass drive pulley there on my lathe, so it would be able to drive some steam engine accessories. And today I'm going to try it on this Mamod Workshop tools. So I've put the metho in the burner. I'll light it up. Put that underneath. Just give that 20 or 30 seconds or so to warm that up. I've got a metal drive band that I've modified by putting with a pair of pliers, I'm not sure if you can see that, two little hooks so I can take it apart. Okay, well this looks like it could be hot enough. We'll give it a go. Oh, straight away, there we go. The PM Research, the glass engine, running the Mamod Workshop. Very easily running the Mamod Workshop. These are great little engines, these. Very enjoyable just to put a bit of metho in there, light it up and away you go. Steamed up a bit there, went a little bit too close to the flame. Okay, the flame's out. Starting to slow down a little bit. See how long it goes for. And that's that. Well, as you can all see, that little engine ran that very easily. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.